FX Vortex 2.0, or Vortex Sniper 2.0, is a combination of several analytical algorithms that together are capable of generating accurate buy, sell signals. The signals are intuitive and will not be difficult even for novice traders. The system can be used on any time frame with major currency pairs. And of course no repainting. Vortex 2.0 100% non-repaint. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2, SPAPER, our Forex strategy. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2 works on any currency pair, but the best results are shown in the currency pair pound sterling to US dollar. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2 founded the following indicators: Sniper, diagram with 3 lines of red or blue, Sniper the stop, the parabolic SAR, red and blue dots above and below the line, Sniper A to trend, histogram of the blue and red bars, Sniper to trend bed and, a histogram of the blue and red bars. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2. Terms of sale. Sniper line indicator, change the color to red bars. Histogram indicator Sniper trend A and Sniper trend B, red. As soon as one of the indicator lines Sniper changes color to red, the system issues a warning, alert, about a possible change in trend direction. When you change the color of all 3 lines Sniper indicator to red, arrow appears on the chart, showing the possible direction of the trend. When the arrows are entering the market only after the histogram bars Sniper trend A and Sniper trend B turn red. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2. Terms of purchase, similar to the conditions of sale, but we should talk about blue. Trading Forex Strategy Sniper Forex V2. Deal. The stop loss is set to Sniper stop indicator points. The deal enter 2 lots. The first lot is closed when the Provogo take profit. Deal currency pair pound sterling to US dollar. 100 points is second lot close when the indicator line Sniper changes color to the opposite. FX Vortex transaction opening technique will show you a razor sharp signal and will provide you with exact take profit and stop loss levels. FX Vortex indicator will also send an alert when a new signal arises to your MT4, email and real-time notifications to your mobile phone so that you can still make a profit while being away from your computer. The system combines several analytical techniques and presents buy/sell signals in an easy-to-read form. You don't have to be a professional to use it. FX Vortex can make amazingly accurate market predictions by constantly auto-analyzing every price movement, trading patterns and with the help of complex trading algorithms based on the great experience of our development team. The Vortex indicator for MT4 provides Forex traders with trend direction, trend strength, and buy and sell trading signals. The indicator has 2 simple lines which oscillate. Traders use these lines to identify the beginning of a new trend and the best reversal points. The indicator is very useful for intraday and trend traders and can be incorporated easily in multiple trading methods. Vortex indicator trading signals. The above PH1 chart shows the Vortex indicator for MT4. The indicator has 2 lines. The V plus line is the uptrend line, and V line is the downtrend line. Vortex indicator displays the uptrend line, V plus, in Dodger blue color and the downtrend line, V, in tomato color. Forex traders can apply the Vortex indicator for MT4 to any time frame and any trading instrument, and it is free to download. The Vortex indicator trading signals are primarily based on the crossover of the lines. So, Forex traders can buy if the Dodger blue line crosses over the tomato line to the upward direction. Oppositely, traders can sell upon the crossover of the tomato line and the Dodger blue line to the downward direction. Traders can hold the position and exit upon opposite trading signals. Vortex indicator for trend FX technical traders can easily establish the trend direction by the color on the top side of the indicator. If the Dodger blue line is on the top side, it indicates the presence of buy trend. On the other hand, the presence of tomato color line on the top indicates a sell trend. The visual clues of the trend direction are straightforward and help the technical FX trader follow the trend and stay in the trend direction. Another vital aspect of the Vortex MetaTrader indicator is to provide Forex traders with the trend strength. The deviation of the indicator lines from each other shows the strength of the trend. Also, the distance of the movement of the indicator line from the midpoints effectively shows the trend strength. If the indicator line moves far away from the trend, Forex traders consider it a strong move. On the other hand, a minor deviation between the indicator lines shows a weak trend. New Forex traders can benefit from identifying the beginning of a new trend and will be able to spot early reversal points. On the other hand, advanced traders can adjust the indicator settings and reduce trading signals to avoid trading with lower trend signals. However, traders should note that the higher value of indicator settings may produce late signals. Moreover, every currency pair will respond to other settings, so advanced Forex traders should identify the best settings for every trading instrument. Conclusion: the Vortex MT4 indicator is the best trend indicator for intraday and long-term traders, because the indicator covers all aspects of the trend, namely trend direction and trend strength. Moreover, the crossover of the lines provides trend trading signals. Furthermore, The indicator is free to download.